Let's continue the second chapter of Footprints Without Feet, the thief story. As I described you earlier, that this story is of a small boy, a young boy who was of 15 years old, Hari Singh. Okay, and Hari Singh, who is 15 years old, he is a thief, and the thief himself tells this story. Okay, and the thief says that he was only 15, but he has a successful hand at stealing things. He offered to work for a man named Anil. Okay, yesterday I described you about Anil who was a simple, kind-hearted fellow. Okay, and now look at here, he advised him to stay there with him. Now look at here, the description about Anil. Anil made money by fits and starts. Fits and starts means seldom, kabhi kabhi. Okay, Anil made money seldom. And he would borrow 1 week, lend the next. एक month क्या करता? 1 week, sorry. He would borrow the money and lend the money next week. He kept worrying about his next check. जो भी उसको next check मिलने वाला था, he kept worrying about that next check. But as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. But जैसे ही वो चेक रिसीव करेगा, at that time he would go out and celebrate. वो बाहर जाएगा and celebrate the money with his friends. It seems that he wrote for magazines. Here the profession of Anil is described, and it seems that he wrote for a magazine. A queer way to make a living. Queer means a strange way to make a living. Means in short we can say that Anil who was writing for magazines. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. One evening Anil came back home. He had a small bundle of notes in his hand saying that, और क्या inform कर रहा है? He was informing Hari Singh that he had just sold a book to a publisher because he was writing for magazines. That's why he sold a book to a publisher and he got money. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Now what did Anil do with the money? He kept that money under the mattresses. Okay, उसने mattress के नीचे रख दिया. Tuck means to press in. And I had been working for Anil for almost a month. Now Hari Singh was describing that he had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. My line of work here description about stealing, चोरी करना. ओके कि उसने अपनी लाइन का कोई भी काम नहीं किया था, बिकॉज ही वॉज व्हेन ही वेंट फॉर बाइंग द डे सप्लाईज एट द टाइम ही वुड चीट फॉर 1 रुपी, 1 रुपी का वो चीटिंग करता. सो ही हैड नॉट डन एनीथिंग इन हिज लाइन ऑफ वर्क. आई हैड एवरी अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर डूइंग सो. हर अपॉर्चुनिटी थी उसके पास ये करने की. वाई? बिकॉज अनिल वॉज वेरी सिंपल, ही वॉज अ वेरी काइंड हार्टेड फेलो. Anil had given me a key to the door. और उसने मुझे क्या दिया हुआ था? He had given me a key to the door also because he trusts him blindly. वो हरी सिंह को कैसे ट्रस्ट करता था? ब्लाइंडली उसको ट्रस्ट करता. एंड आई कुड कम एंड गो एज आई प्लीज्ड. और जब भी मैं आ सकता अपनी मर्जी से एज आई प्लीज्ड. ही वॉज द मोस्ट ट्रस्टिंग पर्सन आई हैड एवर मेट. Hari Singh is describing here the quality about Anil, that he was the most trusting person that I had ever met. Now, and that's why it was so difficult to rob him, because Anil, who was a very simple, who was a kind-hearted fellow, he was the most trusting person, and that's why it was very difficult to steal, to rob him. It is easy to rob a greedy man. क्यों? और नाउ हेयर द जनरल व्यूज आर डिस्क्राइब. जनरल व्यूज कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया हरी सिंह ने? इट इज ईजी टू रॉब अ सिंपल ग्रीडी मैन. सिंपल होता है किसी भी ग्रीडी मैन को रॉब करना. वाई सिंपल? बिकॉज ही कैन अफोर्ड टू बी रॉब्ड. वो क्या अफोर्ड कर सकता है? रॉब करना. बिकॉज ही हैड इनफ मनी टू रॉब. तो इजीली हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं? रॉब कर सकते हैं, चोरी कर सकते हैं. बट इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू रॉब अ केयरलेस मैन. बट एक केयरलेस मैन को रॉब करना क्या होता है? डिफिकल्ट होता है. समटाइम्स ही डजंट इवन नोटिस ही हैज़ बीन रॉब्ड. एक केयरलेस पर्सन जो अपनी तरफ कभी भी ध्यान नहीं देता, केयरलेसली काम करता है, ही डजंट इवन नोटिस ही हैज़ बीन robbed. वो कभी भी नोटिस नहीं करता that he has been robbed, कि उसको चोरी कर ली गई है, and takes all the pleasure out of the work, और वर्क से सारे प्लेजर को क्या कर लेता है, मीन्स हरी सिंह का प्लेजर मीन क्या था, हरी सिंह प्लेजर was to steal money. Well, it's time I did some real work. Now it's the right time to rob. I told myself, और अपने आप को मैं बता भी रहा था that I am out of practice. Out of practice means because he had not performed his stealing for a month, and if I don't take the money, then he will only waste on his friends. अगर मैंने मनी चोरी नहीं किया, means if I don't take the money, then Anil will waste on his friends. Means after getting the money, he will spend the money on his friends. And after all, he doesn't even pay me. और right भी है, सही भी है. क्यों सही है? Because after all, he doesn't even pay me. वो मुझे पे भी नहीं करता. Anil was asleep. Okay, Anil was sleeping one day. A beam of moonlit night stepped over the balcony. Okay, what was doing there? Anil, who was sleeping one day, and a beam of a light of moonlit night stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. और कहाँ पर आ रही थी? बेड पर. I sat up on the floor considering the situation. I sat up on the floor. फ्लोर पर मैं बैठ खड़ा हुआ. Considering the situation, understanding the complete situation. If I took the money. Now he was describing that if I took the money, if I was able to take the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. कि अगर वो अभी यहाँ से मनी लेकर भाग जाता है तो ही वॉज एबल टू कैच द 10:30 एक्सप्रेस टू लखनऊ, तो वो क्या कर सकता है, अभी भी एबिलिटी है उसमें कि वो लखनऊ 10:30 की ट्रेन को पकड़ सकता है. स्लिपिंग आउट ऑफ द ब्लैंकेट, अब वो ब्लैंकेट से बाहर निकला. एंड आई क्रैप्ड अप टू द बेड ऑफ अनिल. Anil was sleeping peacefully. He was enjoying his sleeping. His face was clear and unlined. Unlined means without any wrinkle. His face was very clear. His face had no wrinkle on his face, and even I had more marks on my face. Means Anil, who was of 25 years old, who was elder than me, did not have any mark on his face. And Hari Singh, who was of just 15-year-old, he had more marks on his face, and though mine were mostly scars. Scars होते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो क्या कर रहा है, मोस्टली उसके फेस पर क्या दिखाई दे रहे हैं, scars. Now my hand slid under the mattress. Slid here is the second form of slide. ओके, स्लाइड करना. सो माई हैंड स्लिड अंडर द मैट्रेस. मैट्रेस के नीचे क्या रखा हुआ था, मनी. ही वॉज सर्चिंग फॉर द नोट्स विच अनिल कैप्ट देयर. व्हेन आई फाउंड देम, और जैसे ही मैंने उस मनी को ढूंढ लिया, आई ड्रू देम आउट विदाउट अ साउंड. मीन्स विदाउट क्रिएटिंग एनी साउंड आई टुक द मनी आउटसाइड. Anil sighed in his sleep. Anil, he was enjoying his sleep. He was sighing in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. जैसे side change करते हैं, he turned towards me. I was startled. एक बार तो मैं सरप्राइज हो गया, हैरान हो गया. And quickly crawled out of the room. और क्रॉल करते हुए, क्रॉलिंग करते हैं जैसे स्नेक क्रॉल करता है, तो वैसे ही क्रॉलिंग करते हुए he came out of the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. Means when. Now what did Hari Singh do? Hari Singh, he took the money out, okay, and he started running towards the station. And when I was on the road, I began to run. जल्दी से उसने भागना शुरू किया. I had the notes at my waist. उसने जो वेस्ट साइड था उसका, वहाँ पर वो नोट्स डाले. Held there by the string of my pajamas. Means now how he was holding the money. He was holding the money by the string of his pajamas. वहाँ पर उसने करेंसी डाली. I slowed down to a walk. अब धीरे धीरे उसने चलना स्टार्ट किया. पहले भाग रहा था. Earlier he was running on the road and now he slowed down to a walk and counted the note. और जल्दी से पहले उसने मनी काउंट करना स्टार्ट किया. एंड हाउ मच द मनी वॉज देयर, 600 रुपीज इन 50s. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. Means now Hari Singh was talking to himself. और क्या कह रहा है, that he could live like an oil rich Arab. अरेब वाले जो लोग होते हैं दुबई अरेबियन साइड के, तो वो कैसे रहते हैं, मीन्स दे आर रिच, दे आर ऑयल रिच पर्सन. ओके, सो उनका प्रोफेशन ऑयल का ज़्यादा प्रोफेशन होता है. सो वो क्या कह रहा है हरी सिंह वॉज टॉकिंग टू हिमसेल्फ एंड ही सेड दैट because he got the money finally, so he could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. Means like the Arabian person, he could enjoy his money. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. When I reached the station, I didn't stop at the ticket office because what is the reason? क्यों नहीं रुका वो टिकट ऑफिस पर? Because I had never bought a ticket in my life, कि कभी भी मैंने अपनी लाइफ में टिकट नहीं खरीदी थी. But dashed straight to the platform, और सीधा डायरेक्ट किसकी तरफ रन करते हुए गया? He directly dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. Lucknow Express, because he had to enter there in the train, same train Lucknow Express, it was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. Why? The train had still to pick up speed. अभी उसने speed लेनी थी, means now the slow train was moving slowly and I should have been able, means he was quietly able to jump into one of the carriages, but Hari Singh hesitated. उसने hesitate किया for some reason. कोई रीज़न था, आई कांट एक्सप्लेन हेयर, मीन्स हरी सिंह डिडेंट एक्सप्लेन द रीज़न हेयर, मीन्स वाई ही वॉज नॉट, वाई ही डिडेंट जम्प देयर इन टू वन ऑफ द कैरेजेस and I lost the chance to get away. Means now he didn't went there and he lost the chance to get away. Okay, means he stayed there at the station there. What happened next? Okay, you will find in the next video. Thank you.